Alexa, call Dad.
Hi, baby. Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hi, Grandpa. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Believe me, you gonna love it.
Alexa, show me cupcake recipes from Food Network. 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
Your weird ask. A weird what? Something I asked for in your contract. You kept hounding me when he asked what it is. I was blank. The room is so pathetic.
For 30 years now, we've designed iRobot products with one consideration in mind: how they'll improve people's lives. That's 30 years of looking at specific problems and building the right solutions, so that robotics can look like this and effortless tech can sound like this. At iRobot, the technology used to find explosives and study oil spills has evolved to map your home and clean your floors. And our app is opening up a future of possibilities in the smart home. So as homes get smarter, more connected, and more automated, our products will too. Innovation, quality, dependability, backed by excellent customer service and the iRobot warranty. That's the iRobot difference.
Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto Ever-Sharp electric knife sharpener. Its two-stage sharpening system quickly and easily sharpens most any non-serrated blade for professional results in the convenience of your home. Precision blade guides position the knife at the ideal sharpening angle for perfect results every time. Sapphirite grinding wheels are made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional shops. Stage 1 begins the sharpening process by creating a precision angled edge. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. Then move on to Stage 2 and complete the sharpening. Once again, simply draw the knife through each slot a few times, and the blade is sharpened to a razor edge. It's the fast and easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto Ever-Sharp electric knife sharpener. Professional 3-stage model also available.
Alexa, lock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.